So I'm going to be revamping my desk. I am going to swap out my mouse pad, my keyboard, and I'm going to want to change the legs of the desk so I can change them. So I'm going to need to clear everything else off the desk as well. I'm going to get a new mouse pad, a new keyboard, and some new feet, legs for my desk that can then raise and lower my desk. So I'm going to get to it. And just like that, my desk can go up and down now. Added a little dial as well to see how high it is. So now all that's left to do is to add a new keyboard, new mouse mat, and I should then be good with anything that's hardware. Mouse, numpad, and get the keyboard out. I do not have the keycaps installed just yet, so I am going to be getting on to that right about now. The really difficult thing was to do the cables. I'm still a bit iffy on one of them. I'm hoping it doesn't rip out my graphics card. Pretty cool. And for the last part of this project, I wanted to make a wrist rest out of wood. So I went to my workshop and I kind of winged a wrist rest. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Cheerio. Cheerio. I've never said that word in my life.